A Malaysian expert said China is a strong believer of openness and urged Asian countries to close ranks and focus on global growth, prosperity, and upliftment of people, stressing the importance of multilateralism.
Focus on, productivity, continue to collaborate, work together with the ASEAN for better cooperation in trade, investment, economic growth. We still believe, the openness of the economy. We don't want to be like a protected, closed economy. So I think this is the message that we should send to the West. China is still a strong believer of openness. You don't close the economy because you need multilateralism.
The expert said China, as a world leader in green technology and sustainable practices, could work more closely with ASEAN, especially in terms of supplying technology while being a steady market for the region's raw materials and commodities.
You look at Southeast Asian countries, they can offer the resources, and China can offer them the technology, go into smart technology, smart agriculture, which is something that I believe the ASEAN country would like to cooperate with China in this area.